Also, you took a nice gash out of the wall there.
Yeah.
I don't know what gave me the idea of throwing saw blades. I don't know whether it was our friend who taught me how to throw knives, or while we were throwing knives, we just started throwing other things. Probably, or at least possibly, because they look like giant ninja stars, we thought, well, hey, why don't we throw those? They're all worn out, so I don't know what the teeth count is on them. But they're fun to throw because they almost always stick. But I just
Well, farm already won. So
that was close. Nah, there's no losing in the challenge.
That was close. Better than I could have done.
I'll take the same challenge, Kevin.
all right.
I hope that I can do almost as good as you do. I love that one.
That I took a little bit off.
Oh, you did?
Of the post.
You did. Shave it down little by little.
There you go. It's coming.
Okay, I'll take this challenge.
Oh, oh, oh! You have the one to win. Oh man! Hit it! Didn't stick. Didn't stick it. All right. Somewhere in the center. I'm hoping to hit that post, but just somewhere.
Beautiful. You want to see it just not wear off your shoulder.
Golly!
And now I'm waiting for my hand to get stabbed by all the
I can feel it.
teeth.
I was in there.
Yeah. You heard the thunk on that one. Well, yours do kind of hit it a little bit.
A little bit of an angle, yeah.
Okay.
I think the farther back I go, the more your arm turns. Just trying to get that.
Speed, the strength,
Yep.
just
Get it out there.
We can hear the sound over there.
Wow.
Yeah, this is challenging.
It sounds scary.
It does.
Hear it spinning and like vibrating.
We're gonna have to get some pliers to get these things out of these logs.
You might. I got them. I got them.
Also, you took a nice gash out of the wall there.
Yeah.
Several.
That-
We know how many times the
Wow.
wall got hit.
Look, that's a tooth bent from probably hitting the concrete.
Could be.
Wow.
Not good for my Crocs, probably.
That'll chew through your Crocs.
So, have you ever tried these the Frisbee throw?
No, that'd be fun to do.
So, Frisbee throw, we want to keep going this direction.
Sure. Okay, we're doing the Frisbee throw.
Okay.
Throw it like you mean it, man. That's your brother over there. There you go.
Are you trying to hit the hole in the middle? Or?
No,
put
I'm
it
just
up-
trying to hit anything.
Put it up for a challenge, but.
Everyone.
You could do two at once. You need some bubble gum?
Oh, if you got some sunflower seeds too, either or.
What? Two. That was too heavy, wasn't it?
A little bit. It came out of my hand very late.
How about one in each hand?
Oh, that would be.
Boy, my left hand is.
That'd be horrible.
Yeah. I don't know how this would
I'd
work.
kill somebody if I had to do that.
I couldn't do it.
He gets in with your wrong hand.
Oh, he just did.
That's left-handed.
What?
That's that was the most uncomfortable I've ever doing anything.
Root ball at church. I could have been on my left hand.
I don't know if that came down low.
You're gonna sweat, you might as well. Oh, that's what I was trying to do. Okay. We've got to avoid that space now. I'll be hitting concrete. Okay, I want to see if I can put it right next to that one. No, too high. You might be surprised, but I've never cut myself throwing these. I do kind of watch how I hold them. I hold it between my thumb and the knuckle of my first finger, so when I release it, my fingers are out of the way and I've never gotten cut. It's just so satisfying. But look at the damage of this one, and I'm sure this is from me throwing. This tooth right here is bent horribly, almost 90 degrees, about to break off. And I think this one's another bent. These are bent pretty far out of alignment. That's not the standard. This one's bent. This is a different one. It's almost bent 90 degrees. Those oak logs are tough stuff. I thank you for watching. I hope that you'll subscribe.